Hello everyone, my name is Alok. I'm father of 2 boys, 9 trees, husband to one of the most beautiful princes of the world. I'm an engineer, an MBA, an entrepreneur, traveler, author, blogger, podcaster, a parenting expert, and a business enthusiast for the last around 20 years. And I'm here to help 3 kinds of people. Number 1, people who want to start their business out of their own expertise. Number 2, people who do have an offline business want to take it in an online platform. Number 3, people who are already doing good but they are not able to upscale and grow. So as a business coach, I'm here to help you with a specific strategy for your business customized for your needs. So guys, today continuation with what I've been talking about in terms of business. Today I'm going to talk about customers. Yes, in every business you need customers. You have a product and service. It is going to be paid only when you get a customer, and that is the biggest challenge which every entrepreneur faces. They open the shop, they open the business and they pray to the God. I really thank God and I really believe in this Almighty. मैं भगवान में बहुत विश्वास करता हूँ. But when you talk about business runs through a system and a process. हम लोग दुकान खोल के कहते हैं भगवान ग्राहक भेज दो. But doesn't work that way. You have to create a system and a process to get customers. Or today I'm going to talk about how you get a customer. Let us understand that who your customer is. आपने KYC बहुत सुना होगा, know your customer, to understand your customer better. But that is precisely related to the data. Customer का नाम क्या है, address क्या है, date of birth क्या है, marriage anniversary क्या है. I'm not going to talk about that. I'm going to give you a special trick to understand who your customer is. And the thing which I want to mention is, be your own customer to find your own customer. Understand what you would be doing if your client is you yourself. मतलब ये कि suppose you are a seller, as of now आप एक seller हो, but अब आपके दुकान में कोई आ रहा है. So be that person, be your customer and think whether you will be able to buy, why you are going to buy, right? And what price, at what services. If you put yourself in the shoes of your customers, you will be able to make the right decision to understand what right or wrong things you are doing. So first of all, understand what is going in the minds of your customers, right? कैसे समझेंगे? So be that person and understand what pain you are going to get resolved when you go to your shop, your own shop, right? What is the pain the customer is having? Why he is coming to you? Whether he is coming to you for an additional thing which you want to have add on, an additional shirt or a medicine or something like that, or here's something else going on his or her mind. So if you understand the pain points of your customers, understanding the real problem, right? The real problem is something else which the customer doesn't speak about, right? So when I say be your own customer, understand, be in your customer's shoes and understand, यदि मैं उसकी जगह होता तो क्या मैं आपके पास आता, क्या मैं ये प्राइस देता, क्या ये सर्विसेज मैं आपसे ले पाता. And if you get into all those modality of your own customers, you'll be able to understand your customers. So be your own customer and try to understand the pain points, the solutions, the feature benefits are all extra. If you are able to do that, you will be bang on understanding your customers, you will be able to sell more. So that's all for today. Be your own customer, trying to think that way. Bye-bye.